If you are a regular viewer of my channel, then you should know I made a hot air gun in one of my earlier videos. As I am an electrical engineer and working on electronic stuffs for quite a while, I need a soldering workstation to do my soldering jobs more efficiently. Hey, hello guys, this is Shubhobroto and welcome to my channel Circuitician. In today's video, I will show you how I made my own soldering station, which features 3 helping hands, a solder wire stand, a work light and a fume extractor. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's get started. To modify my hot air gun that I previously built, I have to do some welding work. So it is the time to go to the welding shop. Our welding work is complete. As I don't have a 3D printer, I have to do some woodwork for making the small parts that I need for my soldering station. For building the soldering station, I need a soldering iron stand and a stand for hot air gun. I am using coolant pipes with some alligator clip as a helping hands. And to mount this coolant pipe, I am using these wooden blocks. I made this stand for holding solder wire reel, and this is a 12-volt cooling fan. I will use this as a fume extractor. I made a sliding mechanism using PVC casing and acrylic. The fan will be mounted upon this acrylic so that we can easily change the position of the fan. This is the last component of my build. This is a sliding light stand in which I can adjust the height of the light as per my requirement. It is the time for painting the wooden parts because painting protects the wood from corrosion. All the parts are painted now and we are ready to assemble. Now this is how you can hold the board with these helping hands. And this is the light which I will mount in the light stand. Now my DIY soldering workstation is ready and look like this. It took us 4 days and lots of hard work to make this project. Please make sure you hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and if you want you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, link is given in the description. And if you are new to this channel, then what are you doing? Make sure you hit the subscribe button also, because it is free. And the most important thing, be creative.